This lentil feta salad is fresh, crunchy, and full of that sweet savory magic. Tender green lentils, salty feta, and juicy cranberries in every single forkful. You start with green lentils cooked until tender. Then pile in carrots, mixed greens, spring onions, roasted almonds, feta, and dried cranberries. Grate the carrots, slice the spring onions, chop the almonds, and crumble the feta over a big bowl of washed greens. Scatter the cooled lentils and dried cranberries over the top so every forkful gets that sweet, earthy bite. Whisk up the mint, lemon, honey, and olive oil dressing, pour it over, and toss everything together. Pile it high into a big bowl and finish with a little extra feta, almonds, and a scattering of fresh mint. Serve it as a light lunch or a party-perfect side. The full printable recipe is linked below. Give it a try, and I'll see you in the next one, lovelies.